Good morning class. Today we will discuss about unit 2 B poem its change. So what are the changes happened in our education system is said in this poem. The poet is Ima Gauri. So the poet is Ima Gauri. So I will read the poem and I will explain. The poem name is Its Change. Mummy, I don't want to go to school today because I fear our world is in decay. So here one girl is saying to that her mother is, Mom, I will not go to school today because I am fear our world is in decay, that our world is in worst condition or our world is in not in better condition, that is in bad condition. I feel my teachers are a part of a plot. So I feel that she is feeling that her teachers is doing something wrong, they are the part of something, that is who is going. That is, if the people are wrong, and she is telling that my teachers also involved in that wrong. I am the only one who sees through the rot. So she is telling that I am the only one who is seeing, that I am the only one who thinks or who sees that my teachers are doing wrong. Scientists are cloning pigs and sheep, saying it's changed the way to go. So here what is meant by cloning is, the scientists are saying that pig is different, sheep is different, but the scientists are cloning, that is the DNA is mixing, and they are telling that pig and sheep are same. Geologists are finding cracks in our earth, saying its change, predicting its birth. So here geologists what they study about the earth, and they finding the cracks, and they are said that the earth is born like that, only with cracks. Archaeologists are digging up fossils and bones, saying it's changed time for clones. So here archaeologists mean the study of fossil fuels. Fossil fuels is, if the dinosaur is there, the dinosaur bones are called fossils, or the dinosaurs are called fossils, because dinosaurs are not there now. So the organisms which are existed, that is if the dinosaurs, that is the animals or plants which are existed, that is now it is not there, that are called fossils. So the archaeologists are digging up fossils and bones. So they lived on those days, so their bones are in the earth. So they are digging the bones and saying it's change, predicting, saying it's change time for clones. So they are cloning the bones and doing different experiments. Yes, scientists are causing me great concern, giving us kids too much to learn. So here she is saying that scientists have given me great concern, giving us too much to learn. That is, this all is very interesting to learn. So here she is getting doubt that is this true or wrong? Really, is this true or wrong? So this is all about the its change poem. That is, teachers or scientists are doing something wrong. The girl feels like that and telling that I will not go to school because my teachers are one of the part in doing wrong, and scientists are doing different experiments, and there is nothing right, and we all are giving the kids too much to learn. This is all about a simple poem. Its change. Ima Gauri is the poet. If you read one's poem, you will understand, and I will give the question answers. You will better understand in that question answers. Hope you understand. Thank you.